Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah, and for today's video I am doing a come thrift with me. So this video just shows how I thrift, my tips and tricks, and also what I found, which is in this garbage bag. Hopefully this video will give you some tips that you can take with you when you're thrifting. Thrifting is always something that's unpredictable. You just don't know what you're gonna find there, but I think that's part of the adventure and part of the fun is seeing what you can find. While there is a lot of ugly stuff, a lot of unattractive, like just not flattering, out of style stuff, there is some stuff that is current and is stylish and does look like new. So I would definitely encourage you guys to give it a try. And throughout this video, I will be putting in little bits of tips and advice for your thrifting experience. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hey guys! So I am about to go thrifting right now, and of course I got some Caribou coffee. I was just not feeling energized there for a bit. Just needed a little, you know, caffeinated boost. So this will help because, you know, when you're thrifting you kind of need some energy to sort through all those racks of clothes and look through all the store, and you know, gotta energy up, fuel up. So let's go thrifting and see what I find. Over there. My first tip is to look through all of the racks. I would say look through the smalls, the mediums, the larges, because sometimes clothing pieces get put back in the wrong spot. So definitely make sure to just look through everything. Ugly, 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 ugly. This reminds me of something from Napoleon Dynamite. The next tip is to look for nicer brands. So I would keep my eyes peeled for those really higher quality, higher end brands, because the higher end brands are most likely going to produce the higher quality clothing pieces, and so they'll be in better shape and better condition for when you buy them. So I would stay away from like the Target brands or the Forever 21 brand or Forever 21, H&M, Walmart, I don't know. Unless you find something you really like that's from that brand, then go for it, it's your choice. Just any of those nicer brands that, you know, usually sell their stuff pretty expensive in retail stores. Try to find those clothing pieces at the thrift store, and then you'll know you're getting a better quality item. My third tip is to look for jeans, sweaters, and jackets and activewear. Those four categories, you're always going to have a pretty good chance of finding nice quality pieces that are in style and that don't have tears or rips or worn out. Of course, sweaters and jackets, those are usually very durable, and so those usually don't wear out and get stains and holes and stuff as often or as frequently. Is this cute or ugly? This just feels so vintage. I don't like this. And then activewear, you know, workout clothes. Those are always good sections to look in, because what I have found is workout clothes don't usually wear out very easily because they're made for you to work out in and they're made for you to be active in. And so of course they're going to be built to last longer. The fabric quality is going to be very, very durable, and it's not going to wear out so much. And then my last thing is jeans. And jeans are another sort of clothing item that is very durable. The jean material is super durable and strong, and it usually doesn't rip or wear too easily. And so you can usually find really good quality jeans and all different types of sizes and fits at different thrift stores. So I would definitely look in the jeans section, because you most likely will find something that looks really nice and fits nice and is cheap. And my fourth tip is to look through all of the sections, even the men's section. And yes, while I usually don't look in men's sections in other, retail stores, I do look in men's sections in secondhand stores or thrift stores just because they usually have better stuff, I have found. When I have shopped in the women's section, a lot of it is just ugly. A lot of it's just so out of style and looks like it's from 50 years ago. But the men's section, you can find some treasures in there because the men's section, they usually have really good flannels and they have good jackets, sweatshirts, and you can even find some really good t-shirts in the men's section, and you can even find some like vintage t-shirts or vintage looking t-shirts. Yeah, I always look in the men's section now because I just find that the quality is a lot better. It's not so trendy, because men's wear, they don't have as many trends that they go through, and it's just better quality. So yeah, I would say look in the men's. Now I'm going to show you guys what I got from Goodwill, and it's in this trash bag, which I thought that was kind of funny that they put my clothes in a trash bag. Oh well, whatever. The first thing I got is a sweater, and this was in the women's section, and it's this really cute navy sweater. This is from the brand J. Crew, so it's a really good quality brand, and it has these really cute buttons right here, and they're little anchors, like little, I don't know if you can see that at all, they're little sailor anchors, and I thought that was really cute. I've never seen a style like this before, and I love navy. Navy is one of my favorite colors, so I just had to get this. And I thought the fit was really good. This is super good quality material. There's no holes, no stains, nothing is wrong with it. It looks like it was barely worn. Actually, it still has the tag on it. You see? It still has the actual J. Crew tag on it, which is crazy. I think this was less than $9, but that's still a really $9 for a J. Crew like new sweater. Sold! Next thing I picked up in my trash bag is this jacket. It's also navy, as you can tell. Like I said, I love navy. And it's this sort of, it's kind of vintage looking. It kind of looks like something maybe my grandma would have worn. But hey, I'm into it. I think the 90s, 2000s, whatever, style is really coming back, and I'm living for it. I love it. So this was only $6 for this jacket, and like I said, I think there was a winter clear out at Goodwill, so I think this was like 15% off or 50% off or something. But it's kind of this like quilted material, and it has the little roll-up sleeves, this corduroy material, and it looks really cute on. It has these buttons here, these snap buttons, and this just reminded me of something from Stranger Things, like something Eleven would wear, or one of the kids, Mike or someone, would wear this. So I don't know, I just thought this would look really cute with just jeans, some sort of t-shirt or top underneath. I don't know, I just really liked it, so I couldn't pass it up. This next item I got was found in the women's section, and it's this beachy, long sleeve, airy, it's kind of a blue, it's not really navy blue. I don't know what kind of blue it is. It's a bit lighter than navy blue. But it's this very kind of thin, cottony beach shirt, and it has buttons that go down like halfway. And I just really liked how this looked on, and I just could see myself wearing this in the summer because it's very light, nice, light, breathable material. So I just thought that this would be a perfect top to wear in the summer with some shorts. And this was $4.99. Next up is a flannel. And usually you can find, pretty good flannels at Goodwills. Sometimes I just don't like the flannels they have there. I just don't like the colors, or I don't like the style. But this one I really did like, and this was in the men's section. This is a men's large, so it's a little bit oversized, but I like that with flannels. And it's this really nice blue and gold, gray and white pattern. But this just felt really nice material. It definitely has that worn out feel, kind of that vintage worn out feel, which I liked, and nothing looked wrong with it at all. So I really liked this flannel. Oh, and this flannel was $5.99. Next up are some jeans. I'm in desperate need of jeans right now. Some of my other jeans just got so worn out, so I found these dark wash jeans. These are from Gap, so I feel like Gap is a pretty good jean brand, and they're really nice and stretchy. It's super nice material. These were $6.99. I was gonna round up to $7, but $6.99. And they're just like skinny jeans, really nice. I liked how these fit. And last but not least is a jacket. And I don't know if this is men's or women's, to be honest. I think this might be men's, but it looked like it could be either. And this is this kind of green gray jacket. As you can see here, it has pocket right here, another pocket right here. It's very warm, so I feel like this is perfect for Minnesota weather, like going into spring or fall, or even on more mild winter days. I could get away with wearing this. And I just really liked how this looked. Like, it just looked like a cute jacket. I could just see myself wearing something like this. This was $14.99, but like I said, I think it was on sale for like $7 for this really nice quality jacket. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked that Come Thrift With Me video. If you want to see more of these types of videos, make sure to leave it in the comments below, and I'll definitely consider on doing more of these videos because I think they're really fun. I always find it interesting to see what people get at the thrift store, just because, you know, you can find anything at the thrift store. Like, you just find those one-of-a-kind cool things that like no one else will have. And yeah, I just think it's fun. So definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.